Hi guys, I'm Wande and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I make content about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, health, everything and anything, my personal life too. Anywho's, I made a video about my vegan journey and why I avoid certain foods, and a lot of you liked that video, so I thought it'd be best to do a day in the life of my food. I decided to do a what I eat in a day, so let's just get straight into it. I first start off with a smoothie, whether I'm working out or not, because I can't really eat too much. I usually start my day with a big, massive cup of boiling hot water and with lemon, and on days where I basically feel fat or I feel really bloated, I would have apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, cayenne pepper and a touch of cinnamon, and I'll just drink that until I kind of feel good, and it usually helps to ease the bloating. If I don't have that, I'll just have what I mentioned earlier. Moving on to the morning, I would then begin with a beautiful, gorgeous smoothie. I usually have this spring and summer and hardly ever in the winter because it's just too cold here in England. But I would have things like pineapple, mango, strawberry, chia seeds, and that's what's in this smoothie at the moment. And I love that it's so thick. I like to eat it with a spoon, so I actually feel like I'm eating something and not drinking something. These are the kind of things I do to kind of trick myself, but it's so good. Also, I put in quite a lot of almond milk. Moving on to lunch, I had a wrap, and inside the wrap was ackee made in the style of scrambled eggs, and I also added some black rice. I put a little bit of sweet chili sauce, which you don't see in this clip, and then I wrap it up and gobble it down. It was so good, so tasty. Oh, couldn't get enough of it. And also the bread is whole wheat, so yeah. Throughout the day, I'm always drinking water, not just because it's healthy for you, but I'm always cold, so I'm always drinking hot water, or hot water and lemon at least. And that's also quite good for you, but I drink it because I'm cold, you know. Lastly, I was feeling for some Jamaican food, so I had some rice and peas with a little bit of callaloo, and then I had some plantain on the side. This was so good. I felt like I just needed some sort of punch to go with it, and I would have just felt like I'm on some tropical island somewhere. But yes, I just really enjoyed my food. As you can tell, I really ate quite small portions, so throughout the day I might snack on some nuts or some fruit or some veg like carrots or hummus and things like that. But today I didn't really feel that way because I had been bloated a couple days before, so I was really eating quite lightly. So yeah, that's pretty much my what I eat in a day. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to see more videos like this, please do leave a comment down below and I'm happy to share. Please do subscribe as well, because that kind of keeps me going, and let's get talking in the comment section down below. But till then guys, I'll keep you posted and I'll keep posting. You like what I did there? And anyway, let me just go. Bye.